This email tutorial will show you how to access your student email account by either setting or resetting your NDNU student email password. First, navigate to the NDNU campus portal. You do not need to be logged into the portal at this time. Instead, navigate to the left-hand menu and select NDNU Email. This will bring you to the NDNU Outlook for Web app. This is where you will typically go to log into your student email account. Underneath Password, you will find I Forgot My Password. Click here. Then, select Reset Password. The domain username is simply the first part of your student email address. For example, if you're Jason the Argonaut and your email address is jargonaut@student.ndnu.edu, you simply need to type in jargonaut. Then select Student as your domain and click Continue. Once you click Continue, it will show you all of the personal email accounts that NDNU has for you on file. Select one of those personal email accounts, such as a Gmail or a Yahoo account, and then click Continue again. This will send a verification code to that account. That verification code will give you access to your NDNU student email and allow you to reset your password. If you have any questions about resetting your password or gaining access to your NDNU student email account, please contact the Office of Information Technology at helpdesk@ndnu.edu.